And welcome once again to class 11 history. So today we'll do a new chapter, that is an empire across 3 continents. So in the previous chapter we have learned writing and city life of Mesopotamia. So in this chapter we will see or will learn about the empire that is across 3 continents. That is a Roman Empire. Okay, so a chapter would ami poribonge Roman kingdoms ba Roman Empire no bevare. Roman Empire go da spread with the 3 continents across 3 continents. So let's see. There we have to learn about sources, boundaries, divisions, and political history to understand the Roman Empire. So first point to understand the Roman Empire, we have to know the sources of Roman Empire. Sources to understand the Roman Empire. So we have 3 sources. That is, number 1 we have texts. Number 1 source we have the text, then number 2 documents, and number 3 material remains. So we already know sources means like historians, these to excavate, or these to dig, or these to learn about the past of the empires or the civilizations. So here ami jodi Roman Empire overview sele first amatun horba boribode ta source ani te ami 3 source peye ibet. If you read the chapter or if you go through the chapter in the past page, you will see we have 3 kinds of sources. Number 1 we have text, number 2 we have documents, and number 3 we have material remains. So we'll do it one by one. Text. So text actually that is written records, usually write year basis, year by year, called annals. Tar mane sources text hang uri legonde first sources anole amar text ajate sin legonde ole year basis mane goda bozor bol just like mane diary lege phara gorine legile hi janne bozor baine year after year. So in the text we have letters, speeches, sermons, laws, and so on. So tar mane je speech bebare legon, then letters legon. So actually seni mane it text sot mane they call them annals. Annals sot mane year wise ba just like mane diary jani uri legon sani gurine legon de eche letters legile speech dile set mane sot legiton de. Then secondly, amar jete hi papyrus and papyrologist. Papyrus that is just like plant usually grow near the river banks. So papyrus is so sokene mane papyrus that is a kind of mane pada mane se pada not mane sani padat mane tara lekak. So papyrus usually mane se gachun ba padani usually grow di mane pani high near means river banks, rivers pani high uri mane sini grow isse papyrus padanit mane tara sokene documents ani mane lekak. So then next papyrologist mostly mane jigune mane writings, history written documents ani mane bebare je mane jigune study goron sigunore hi hoidi papyrologist hoidi. So then second thirdly papyrologist or papyrus mane documents je legon paperot ba stone stone mane carve kuri guroi mane habi ugui shape pani bani bunu je mane legon the senit mane documents hoichi mane coins sobibare stones sobibare mane je mane tara baraza story bebare legon senit mane papyrus padani ba stones mane use gurine mane legon de so then that source amar sette hi material remains the material remains basically ami through mane hengori horvidi through historians excavation jokene historians une mane tara study guriba excavate guriba te so ke he find gora jaidi means same vile Roman Empire ot ba vile je civilization dot lokene mane he elo mane tara what type of materials mane use gochon examples like pottery stones coins then monuments buildings mane whatever mane je dokani sokene mane tara jinis phele je undoise ni mane sin rahi hoide material remains je tara elake mane jejui je fastot mane he roise goi se materials ani mane through mane historians excavation or onusare ba through historian survey ami mane orvedi so sokte mane material remains include mane jeko polum moi mainly archaeologists discover buildings monuments and other kinds of structures pottery coins and even mane entire landscape ko mane through mane photography from mane space otur lone mane tara survey goron ba excavate goron ba discover goron so ami three types of sources mane in Roman Empire bot mane pelonge number 1 ole hi text number 2 ole documents then number 3 ole material remains the next point to see hi boundaries of Roman Empire so Roman Empire usually it's a very very big country so very big so if you see the map I have put a photograph of a map so that you can locate the Roman Empire so if you see the map you can easily locate where is Rome or the Roman kingdoms so if we study or if you want to know the Roman Empire actually the boundaries if you see in the northern part you will see two rivers that is river Rhine and river Danube we have two rivers in the northern part so that is the boundary of the Roman Empire then in the east if you see you will see river Euphrates so till the river Euphrates that is the boundary of Roman Empire then if you see the south if you see the map you will see in the southern part we have the Sahara Desert so that is the water or sea boundary or desert that is the Sahara Desert to the south we have till there that is boundary of Roman Empire then if you see west if you see the map in the western side you will see the Atlantic Oceans so on the whole we can see northern part till the Roman boundaries we have till river Rhine and river Danube then to the south we have Sahara Desert then to the east we have the river Euphrates and to the west we have the Atlantic Oceans so tumio dego means how much mane large mane Roman Empire there next if you see the map you will see black color in the middle Mediterranean Sea so that is the Mediterranean Sea that is almost means center of Rome so Rome it is also called like heart of the desert heart of Roman Empire. So if you see the map, you will see the Mediterranean Sea that is at the center of Rome. So that Mediterranean Sea, it is also called like heart of Roman Empire. Then if we see the division of Roman Empire, how it is divided and how it is divided. So if we see the division of Roman Empire, it is divided into two periods or two phases. That is early Roman phase and late Roman phase or late Roman Empire and early Roman Empire. Then next, political history of Roman Empire. So if we see the political history of Roman Empire, first you will see the King Augustus, that is the ruler of Roman Empire, Augustus. So in other words, we also call Principate or ruler of Roman Empire. So means Romot means Raja bore even mane Principate nangayo mane sinezai or so ke mane iko very best mane one of the best ruler elode ruler Augustus. So just like mane si ruler bo Roman Empire, although mane it's a monarchy government, but mane whatever mane decision judi lower sele, so the rulers have to take the advice of the Senate. So Senate sigun nothing else, they are the aristocracy people or the wealthy people. So judi rulers Augustus judi hichu decision lower sele mane empire ano bevare ba kingdom ano bevare, so mane the hatun advice loi pebode from the aristocracy or the wealthy class people unutun. So the army gun mostly mane army whatever mane mostly male people ba boys un tara ide army mane join guripan and they have to serve 25 years. So after that mane after 25 years serve guri country ganore te tara mane ki hoide break loi paron ba plus mane tara service mane stop guri paron. After 25 years mane tara service guri te mane tara rest guri paron ba village mane ham guri bar mone no re bile sotun mane nigli je paron army tun. So this army mane they are very important and plus they are very powerful. Tarare mane beton de jai ba thenga de jai plus se loge ki de jai de ration means free chibile ration de jai de free mane commodities. They are very mane powerful. So mane judi country gan judi husi guribar raganar sele very importantly mane hare husi guribar ragana usite the army. So they are very important. Army gu dore bile hamaka mane tarare dole dale mane sabore de. So King Augustus tat mane tateiko mane তারপরে দি মানে যে কো রুলার এলো সিবে হলে তার অ্যাডপ্টেড সন মানে তেকো মানে পালক বুঝে দি সিবেরে মানে আফটার কিং অগাস্টাস মানে তা কবই মানে সে অ্যাডপ্টেড সন নই মানে তে রুলার রইদে তে সুদি আরবান এরিয়াস বা রুরাল এরিয়াস সেলে আমি অলরেডি পড়বে দেখি if we see the rural areas we mostly see means all মানে types of activities mane farming agriculture sini mostly dega jay plus aro means they are still mane underdeveloped mane to fully developed noy even mane if you see the transportation system communication system and besides if you see the other facilities mane very less Even as you can see here also in the Roman Empire, so in the urban areas, we see many types of facilities and opportunities as compared to the rural areas. So political history আমি কুছি লংহি about মানে ruler Augustus of Everett. He is one of the best ruler of the Roman Empire. তারে মানে best ruler জানা যায় দি এই মানে Roman Empire. The several kidi মানে division of Roman Empire মানে উত্তুন উন্দি মানে এগরি বা ওয়েজে গই মানে দিবে division বা দিবে periods বা ওই Roman Empire. Early Roman Empire, there are late Roman Empire, two divisions. The boundaries, northern part to two rivers age, River Rhine or River Danube. The southern part to we have one desert, that is Sahara Desert. Then in the west we can see the Atlantic Oceans, and to the east we can see the River Euphrates. That is all about the boundary of Roman Empire. So that's all. Thank you, and we'll continue in the next